Welcome back to Daytime Live. Right now it's time for Wacky News. A U.S. woman was served a unique punishment after being convicted of assault for hurling a burrito bowl at a Chipotle worker, burning her face. So an Ohio judge ordered Rosemary Hayne to work at a fast food job for 2 months in a deal that reduces her jail time. Hayne was captured in a viral video screaming at a Chipotle employee before throwing her food in the worker's face, and was initially set to pay a fine and serve 180 days in jail with 90 days suspended. However, Judge Timothy Gilligan had an unusual idea.
Well, Gilligan told Hayne she could reduce her jail sentence by 60 days if she agreed to work at least 20 hours a week at a fast food restaurant for 2 months, to which Hayne agreed. So in court, Hayne apologized and tried explaining her reason behind screaming at the 26-year-old Chipotle employee, Emily Russell. She expressed that her food looked disgusting that day compared to the way it looked a week before. So to the judge countered that she won't like the food that she'll be served in jail, is what the judge said, which is true. It's much worse.
I'm happy
Not that I should
that the judge do that.
Me too.
And that for each.
So she can see what it's like and experience it.
You don't have the right to fling your food on nobody.
Out of order.
Right.
You should fling it back. Oh my.
Yeah. That for each.
Fling it back.
I'm happy that it never. I mean, in a Jamaica, fight business that.
Oh yes.
100%. Nobody in a business, what kind of job them have, them a warrior. But I'm kind of happy that it didn't work out that way for this.
Why?
Even though we could argue that she deserved it. It's good that justice just take it and run with it. So the worker at the Chipotle is fine. She don't have to face no kind of disciplinary measures. She don't have to face nothing. She can come back to work the next day and everything is fine. Same, no suspension, no nothing.
And justice prevail, and it set a precedent now too.
Precisely.
Yes.
Yeah. I saw it forgot me like that. That for reach her. And I hope there are some difficult customers that see what she go on with and go find her.
I think that's one of the reasons the
And
judge might have done this too, so that she can experience what it's like to work in the industry. Boy, Craig, but you said something a while ago though. I don't think I would have been so cool as Emily. Rate Emily.
No, you can't do it.
Yeah, I think the Jamaican in me.
And it burned me.
I'd have to ask Jesus to help me because
Help me after.
Yeah, no, in that moment, because I said, Lord, what we must do right now?
Sure, if I remember to ask him in that moment. Maybe I have to talk to you after. Yeah, after I stop seeing red.
Into a chest, I dive in. Jesus.
I don't know.
I'm glad Emily's okay though. I like the punishment.
Yeah.
So, more wacky news. Italian police recently arrested a barber for drug dealing. How they found out. This is after noticing that many of the clients going into his shop were bald and beardless. So the Italian police had received reports of drug dealing activity in the area, but they didn't really have any strong leads. So an investigative unit was charged with gathering more information and setting up surveillance teams to spot any unusual activity. It was one of these teams that reported an unusually high number of bald, beardless men visiting a small barbershop operated by a 55-year-old man.
So the individuals were of different ages and appeared to be from various walks of life, right? But they had one thing in common, which is that they didn't appear to need a haircut or a shave. So a quick investigation revealed that most of the barbershop's clients came to the barbershop to get drugs, even though some did indeed get a trim with their more risque purchase. First, the police raided the owner's house where several grams of hashish were found, and then his barbershop where, hidden in a floor, 100 grams of cocaine, 4 precision scales and materials for drug packaging were also found. That's
interesting though, because all right, so you're bald and you're beardless. Maybe you went in for the touch-up so that you remain bald and beardless. If you go in a barbershop and come out look the same way, I mean, if you suspect the barbershop too.
True.
Yeah, you come out with the long hair, the beard, same, nothing changed.
It changed, but nobody
really noticed it changed, Craig.
Yeah, but I don't know. I mean, all right, let me tell you. You see, if you really did I give them money a haircut and shave,
Yeah.
I can understand not paying attention. But you see, because you know you not trim them or shave them, you know. So you know, make a little 1 and 2 man with hair come in and you give them a one
Give them
shave
one
one or
thing.
tell them say, yo,
Yeah.
just wear a fake beard, come in, and when you come in, now you just take it
Well,
off. You know, say, what you do wrong. You know what I mean?
If I remember clearly, you did say, like, a few of them did do like
but
a
nobody not
haircut
notice
thing,
that.
right?
When a bald man shave, you don't notice a bald man shave.
Maybe they should put little oil, you know, like an after something, so it glistens, so you can say, yes, they got something done.
Fool the police, come on. Them other intel make them know I walk go, man. But them not walk give out them sources, so them just say at the
I
bottom.
agree, but I do like how they looked at that situation and decided that, you know, something don't look right here, so I'm going to investigate. So we must look on things sometimes, you know.
That now I'm not Jamaican. Them
What
nah
do you
notice.
mean?
Nah notice.
Oh, they're not going to notice.
Nah, sir.
Okay.
Them nah notice a bald man alone got it.
Listen, bald and beardless,
Yeah, them nah.
right?
Them nah notice.
You can't go barbershop for now, Craig.
Nah, no.
Can't. You know what you should do? You should go to the break-in step.
Uptown
You
barbers.
You can't go
check
barbershop.
them right after we're done. Anyway, so on that note, Daytime Live will be right back. When we come back, we have our first game. I hope a charades again.
Oh my God.
We're so far.